Hi guys, so I'm just going to walk you through what I do for like a Neopixel setup. So I go through like OSH Park and actually have PCBs printed out for me. So I normally go with like a 9-pin PCB on there, and then I also have a printout for blade side as well. So, and right here I got a TCSS in Hilt connection set up to be about the same size as LED module, so it just fits right in the slot. So when I get it in, it's only got the 11 holes drilled in it for their connection on their PCB. So what I do is I take my 9-pin PCB. There we go. And move these down to kind of hold the PCB in place. So now, take a couple of these tools to line up the holes. I'll grab like my smaller piece right there, and where's that other one? And that right there to kind of line up all the holes. Once I got all these holes lined up really good, tighten down these screws. Try to get it nice and snug. This way all the holes are lined up. I just make a mark at the 2 extra holes that I need. So I'll grab a little screwdriver bit, and I'll just kind of start it a little bit at each one of those points, just to have a mark. So that's nice and centered. So then I can take this off completely. Take that off right there. Then I take my little center punch, line it up to the little mark. Same thing here. Line it up with that hole. And I got both of my marks punched right in there. Take my drill, line it up with that hole. Drill it through. Same thing with the other one. So now I got my 9 holes in there. Then my PCB should slide right in place and line right up. See? Like that. Bam. So right here I got one of the PCBs right there with all the pins set in place. So what I do is I take my soldering iron, I set it on top of the pin that I'm going to be soldering to heat up the pin, and I feed my flux solder down at the lower edge, feeding the solder right at the joint level. And once I see the solder feeding down, I set it down. If I blow on it, the pin will end up holding nicely. Same thing right here. So you can get up, start feeding the solder down towards the bottom, and let it flow down into the joint. Now it's soldered nicely. Same thing here. Oh, pick up on the pins, which does happen occasionally. Pick up the pin behind it. They'll catch up some solder on it. So here, you start feeding the solder down at the bottom. By blowing it, goes down at the lower level, ends up holding it in place. That way, pull off with the soldering iron, and it won't stick to it. Same thing here. extra. Well, I'm going to have to desolder that. Got some solder at the pin wire up points. There we go. And I'm almost done. I'm going to do the last one at the back first. That's the last one I got soldered. Alright. There we go. Desoldered that. So this is just no clean wick. It wicks the solder away from the joint, so it completely took it off. So all my pins are nice and lined up, right in place. Nothing shifted off to the side. And then I'll run my wires through the back here and then file off the extra pieces around the edge and then notch the corners here and here so I can screw it down into the actual holder. So this one's ready, and generally whenever I work out, I'm going to end up with the result like this. This is a data line. This is the connections for both the negatives and the positives. So just a nice plug and play connection, and then I'll do the little plug for the data line.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, then please press the like button.
And if you like what you've been watching, please hit the subscribe button.
To see our latest video, click on the link to the right.
Thank you again. Later.